Good morning, good evening. Hope you guys are doing well. Insane day, huh? Let me know if audio and video all are clear and we'll start. I'll start with Bitcoin. Then we'll go if $10 is enough to retire or not. And we'll see. So yeah, so this was the range, right? Like we have been walking in this Bitcoin. And now we are basically at value low right now. Problem with I know I told that bidding here is like good, but just buy spot if you want. Like in ETH as well, ETH looks as well, like ETH looks really great because it swept all the lows. Okay, so I really like ETH here and Bitcoin as well, but problem here is that like a lot of people actually are currently in position. When I tweeted about that, people thought that I am insinuating that everyone is longing and everyone is like they all got confused. Open interest rise does not mean only longs or only shorts. It's always mixed. Okay, so don't worry, it's just like positioning is like insane. Like all the open interest, all the positions that got wiped, it already backed in Bitcoin right now. Okay, that's what I was telling, not that it's all like everyone is longing and all. Okay, so I think like we will probably chop around here, something like that. Okay, maybe sweep the lows, I'm not so sure. So that's why I'm currently waiting on Bitcoin right now. And if I look at like VWAPs, so you know, this is weekly, this is monthly, this is quarterly, this is yearly. Okay, like yearly looks fine, quarterly also looks fine, nothing bearish. Like only in terms of like VWAP I'm saying. Okay, but monthly we are basically below this monthly VWAP, and like this is September VWAP. Okay, so I think that maybe we will get one more stab at like value low around like 111k, then back to rotation again, back to like 116k, something like that. And today is also Monday, and I think like we all know that Monday is basically positioning. Like we just create the weekly like Monday high low today. So yeah, I'm just waiting on Bitcoin, but I think like a lot of alts looks really good. Like a lot of alts like in my watch list right now, like iGain, Linea, even like pump.fun also like nuked a lot. We will go to all the alts. Okay, but this is my basic idea of Bitcoin, that like if we reclaim like 113.6k level. Okay, basically if you go to low time frame and go to daily. Okay, you see this is the daily view up. Use how look how it rejected this daily view up. Okay, so I think like in terms of like reclaim, if we just make like 2 30-minute candle close above like 113.6k, then maybe this was the low. Okay, that's why I'm waiting on Bitcoin, because this is just like a breakdown candle. Okay, and I think like if we make like 2 30-minute candle close above like 113.6k, then maybe on the retest you get to like target these highs, like these highs, like 114. Okay, and this is just a lower time frame idea that I'm currently waiting. And also currently we are at 30-day, isn't it? This is the 30-day rolling view up. Okay, and I think like this support looks really great, like value low as well. So it's not like if you want to bid like spot, then this is a good area to bid. But in terms of like leverage, I'm not so sure, because bottoms do not look really great. Okay, like you see, like every time Bitcoin has like bottom, it's always this type of like gay chud bottom. That's why I think like we will get another like choppy price action going into like New York session. Let's see. I'll just wait for Bitcoin. Maybe later when like a couple of more open interest like nukes, then I'll see. But yeah, in terms of like spot, this is like great day because like this is the largest liquidation event since maybe more than April. So this is a good day. Like if you want to like buy some spot, ETH, like I would actually choose ETH over Bitcoin. Like if I want to buy spot, because I really like this in terms of like HTF like point of view, because we literally swept all these, not only these equal lows, also these lows as well. Okay, and if I go to ETH VWAP, okay, like if you want to like pinpoint some like if you want to like buy pinpoint bottom, then I think if we get 3965 in, I think like we got already 3965 in hyperliquid, but I'm not for sure. Okay, there are a lot of pub decks right now, so maybe we got it or not. But yeah, the three you see like ETH is stuck between August value area. Okay, you see like August like value area high actually like capped ETH around here. So possibly if we get 3956 3965 along with the August value area low, maybe another rotation towards highs. So yeah, ETH looks clean if you want to buy a spot, and I think like this is how much percentage, like 4 to 5%. If you can afford to have such type of like stop loss, then it's great. But if you want to like pinpoint bot like buy the bottom, then maybe have some alerts around like 3970, or maybe it's like this 3950. So yeah, if we get this, then probably I'll bid with leverage for ETH. But yeah, like as I said, everything looks great in terms of like buying into Q4. But thing is that people will like trade 5 minutes and they will simply just chop themselves, which is not great. Okay, and it always happens. Okay, any questions till now, like for Bitcoin or ETH? Then I'll go to some else. Aster token unlocks are from 15 October, so TP before that we usually get pump. Okay, I think like Aster you see these unlock pumps have changed. Okay, like I'm not so sure like how that thing will play out or not, but this is just Binance listed price action. Okay, and of course like the price action of like that Aster Dex will be lot more PA, but I'm taking only Binance because like how CJ likes to hunt liquidations. Okay, so this is swing low, this is swing high, this is just like what is called like pivot retracement. Okay, 61.8. I have this marked. Like if I get this, then I'll probably bid some Aster like 1.133, maybe front run a bit since I have already explained. So a lot of people gonna have bids around here. But yeah, like Aster maybe slow blade, it will probably create some kind of range, but this is where I will bid Aster if I get. Okay, this I don't know, like golden pocket you call it or what, I'm not sure. But yeah, also if I go to anchored view from swing low to swing high, reason why this is getting like support level, because this is the listing view up. Okay, contract listing view up. This is why Aster getting a little bit of like bid here. But if I get this 1.1133, then probably this is the mid time frame play. Maybe we get to see another 2-3x. We'll see. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin and ETH. I'm interested in LTC actually, because I thought like LTC had some ETF coming, and if you see the LTC chart, I really like this 98.22 zone. If I get, I'm sure like alts are not like, some of these alts are not yet bottom, and but some alts are already like you see again, it's already like retrace the entire dump. Okay, so couple alts are different. So it's not like if someone is saying that I'm bidding, maybe he's buying some underperformer alts, or maybe he or she is ignoring stuff like again maybe MNT. You see everything like all these alts like in my watch list there are two parts. Okay, either they already like recovered their entire dump, or they are like good in terms of like fundamental. Like that's why I have listed all this, and even pump on looks good. Like I want to build these areas. So yeah, coming to LTC, I'll explain what I'm watching right now. So I really like, if I get this close to like $100, sweeping these low, then I'll buy some LTC spot. I think they have like ETF coming and some other thing. Hype and fat coin. I don't understand why you guys like fat coin a lot. Anyway, uh, LTC, that's the level I'm watching. Pump one, I'm currently watching this daily inefficiency that we had. Also, like around here, like point. This is like $5 billion level, isn't it? So if I get this, then this pump one will be like great, because like sweeping these two lows and this inefficiency would be nice. Okay, I think I saw some monthly view up for it. Yeah, you see, like this is the monthly view up level that is basically currently rejecting in LTF. But yeah, if I get like close to 5 billion, then pump one is a great buy. This is view up, like monthly view up. This is the view up. This is first standard deviation. This is second standard deviation. Like you can say like all these two are like first standard deviation, but I call it as a value area high, value area low. So yeah, this is for pump fun. No, Soul I'll review. Wait. Um, I really liked IP. I top blasted yesterday, got stopped out, like of obvious reason. But thing is that I don't think like IP is like topped here, because it always likes to do such type of like price action. You see, like these, then probably like dump, then move up. I think like IP will do something, some type of like price action like this. So I have my alert set around like 4 hour. Wait, let me clean up the chart. So I have my alert set around like 4 hour trend. So 4 hour trend is basically 13, 21 and 34 EMA for me. Many people use some other EMA, but I use this. You can see like how this H4 trend held really well. This was the like fuck you candle for like IP before this move up. So I have my alerts around like 13, 12. Like these all are dynamic number. Okay, so it will change like in after like next 4 hour or something. So if I get these tags, then I'll see like if I can get such type of like price action or not. Like mostly like LTF. Okay, mostly LTF I'll choose. Also, like if you see, this is just making a range right now. Like I just explained about like how to catch in trend, but if you are a range trader, you can trade it in terms of like range as well. So I think like IP will go into a consolidation phase, maybe sweep up these lows. This is 15-minute 200 EMA, and for every 4 hour trend, 15-minute 200 EMA is gem. Okay, because you see like if you go to 15-minute candle like trend, the 200 EMA always marks the bottom. Okay, so it always works, because after like trending in 4 hour, it always goes into such a like consolidation phase, and it always sweep these type of like protective low into 15-minute 200 EMA. Maybe it does, maybe it won't. Who knows? Okay, I've just have some alerts around like 13 and 12.9. If I get, I'll bid some IP. That's it. But yeah, just have alerts in 4 hour trend. As long as it has this 4 hour trend intact, IP is good. I'm not sure like what's the market cap right now, but it's like if it's strong, then I'll bid. That's it. I don't care about coin. Soul. This was the sort, okay. This was the sort I had, and I got TP hit around like 228 and it nuked like 12% later. I was like, why, man? Anyway, for Sol, I'll see. Wait. Like this actually not looking good in terms of like HTF if I can explain. Okay. Like I know that it's already daily trend and maybe it will lose the daily trend around like 220, but this SFP is not looking good. Reason why I shorted, because if you go to 2021 Bitcoin chart, you will see Bitcoin had similar 4-hour breaker after sweeping the SFP. So this was the breaker play actually. So literally, if I can show you this candle, we shorted around here because it swept the high, broke the 4-hour structure. We shorted around here and I had like break even stops around here. It did not even take my stops and it literally nuked. So it's similar to 2021 Bitcoin top. If you go to Bitcoin chart, then you'll know. 1 second, let me show you. I remember Rect Proof actually shorted this. That's why I remember it. Where is that? Wait, where is that? Yes. No, this is 24. Wait. I'll show you. Yes, this one. Every time I see such stuff like PA, I remember his short. This is like picture perfect like strategy for price action trader. Sweep the high, break down, retest the last 4-hour like candle before it broke down, like the demand zone. You always get retest, then it's a free shot. Okay, he shorted around here. I also shorted, but I closed this. I closed I think here, but he shorted the whole way. So this was his short. That's why I remember, because he shorted around like 66k and closed around like 42k. This was his short. That's why I had this like idea in Soul and it worked out. But again, like literally like 2021, I also closed before this flush. Like I had my TP set. So yeah. Anyway, Soul does not look good. Let me tell you honestly, it does not look good. But if you want to really bid, maybe bid close to 200, something like that, around here, for a lower high, something like this. But yeah, better coins rather than Soul. I mean, if you just want to buy some spot, then maybe 200 to 210 is a good buying opportunity. But yeah, better looking coins. XPL I'm not gonna like chart because it has like TG coming. I'm not so sure like how it will play out, but I have this in my watch list. So yeah. Aster I have already explained. Again, this coin I was like watching, like this was the like great like if you had this in your watch list, it literally recovered entire move, like 20% pump. Nice. But if I go to like 2-day chart, wait, it's on the verge of breaking out of this entire like thing. Okay, so I really like again because even if in 1 day as well, you see, like I really love this like how it wick to daily demand. See, like if the daily close is above 1.7868 7862, yeah, then probably will get something like this towards at least 2.55. So if you want to like trade coins, then Eigen is great example, because just if you want confirmation, then wait for daily close. Like daily close above this 1.78, then really great. For lower time frame, I want to bid. Uh, 1 second. Yeah, I want to bid its daily view up, because if someone is like really horny and topping this, then if I get daily view up, maybe today, maybe next 1 to 2 hour, then I'll bid like around 1.7. It's dynamic, okay, so it will change. Just go to trading view and type daily view up and you'll see. But yeah, it's already reclaiming this 4 hour structure as well. Sorry, yeah, it's already reclaiming this level as well. So yeah, I really like Eigen, like the way it's showing strength. But in terms of like LTF, maybe one more dip, sweeping some lows, that would be great. Like, so yeah, this is my one coin that I'll be bidding soon if I get a daily close confirmation, or if I get dips today only. Second one is Linea. A lot of people actually trying this, like was trying this breakout, but already got stuck. Linea is actually stuck in this range, okay, this point 0.24 to 0.33, so it's around like no man's land. I get it, like the consensus airdrop is coming and you want to bid Linea. If I go to the spot chart, it's still looking great, okay. Maybe maybe retest of anchored view up if you get. Like, I'll definitely bid these, like what wait, let me show you. Not this. Yes, this one. So this is 10% candle, isn't it? 10.42. So if I get roughly around like 60%, 60 to 68%, then we always fill such type of wick in like in coins, like such type of like illiquid coins, okay. So if you get like 60 to 50% retracement of this liquidation candle, then that's always a great bid. You can see like it works in Bitcoin as well, like 60 to 70% retracement of liquidation candle. In Bitcoin it's 50% if I remember. So it also matches with this listing view up. So have some alert around like 0.02746 or something like this. It's like I'll definitely bid Linea, because like apart from this liquidation event, this coin still has some fundamental, like some coming. Okay. What else? Yes, I had this coin in my watch list because of this 2-day chart. You see, it's literally like breakout retest. So this is my favorite coin right now to trade, because it's already like got its all-time high breakout retest. I'm not sure if it is the all-time high, like previous all-time high 1.51, or it has some other price action in other like in other exchange. But if I remember correctly, Bybit is the OG exchange, right? So it already had its like all-time high breakout retest moment. So I'm just I'm not in position in MNT right now, but maybe something like this. Just 30-minute inefficiency that it had before. Also will line up, isn't it? Like this entire price action. So maybe we can get target 1.99 to front run the $2 sell level. So this is one thing that already in my watch list. Like if you want to like bid dips, if Bitcoin loses this level and tag probably 111 something, then MNT, IP in 4-hour trend, or maybe you can say the 15-minute 200 EMA, not this. Like if we sweep the lows into 15-minute 200 EMA or some 4-hour trend fuckery, and linear, like I said, 60% like retracement. LTC probably like sweep up these lows into 98. So yeah, that's it. These are like small watch list for September, like to buy the dip things. Sol, I'm just watching, like I'm not interested, like I just shorted the like around here, and I'm just waiting for like other coins. If you want fat coin, see, I really don't like to trade this coin, because for obvious reasons. You see, like I had this like limit order set and it literally got nuked. Reason why I really don't like fatcoin right now, it's already below a lot of things, like this March low VWAP, and like I had an idea that we will bottom around like 0.69, but it's already nuked past it. So yeah, I'm not in, like I really don't like to like fatcoin right now. Maybe if we reclaim some sort of level like around like 0.72, then you can just trade it, but really I really don't like fatcoin to like right now, at least. Okay, anyway, Aster looks like it has bought on my sweep 1.27, then can pump turbo. I've already explained about Aster, no? Like reason why it's getting this build because of Binance contract listing VWAP. Okay, this, but if this level fails, then maybe 61.8% retracement. So yeah, this is the level that I'm currently watching. So yeah, enjoy. And is really $10 enough to retire? I think yes. So enjoy your gains, enjoy your $10. Don't spend much time in CT, man. CT is like pointless. Just trade your own book, have fun. Any questions? If no, then we can wrap it up. I'll do streaming in TG, okay, like every week, a weekly open, or maybe weekend we can do some drunk stream. I have some another channel as well, there we can do some Hindi streaming as well for Desi boys. We can discuss like what is CT like doing and all those stuff. Drunk streaming on weekends we can do. But yeah, what is the application you're using? What application? Which application I'm using? I'm just using TradingView. XPL, please. I already said I'm not sure about XPL because TG is coming. I cannot give you a level for XPL and then probably just front run this. See, thing is that I really like ETH here. Okay, it's not like I'm expecting a sweep. I'm just saying that if you want to buy a spot, just bid it like around, maybe it doesn't matter, like 4171 4092, it doesn't matter. I'll buy a spot. I'll buy a spot like maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow Thing is that if you get this quarterly like VWAP or like August value low, then this is like make or break for ETH. Okay, so you can long lane leverage. That's it. That's what I said. I'm not saying like we will sweep or we will not sweep, we will be reverse. I'm not saying that. So yeah, I think yeah, that's it for today. See you all maybe in weekend. Maybe in weekend we'll do one more stream. I'll share one thing, okay? Like one of my friend, Barry. So he has this crazy like fib. Like every time like he just does this like put high and low, and every time Bitcoin reaches 61.8% it nuked. I also marked this, but he front run me in this shot. So like just use these type of like boomer thing, okay? Fiv or daily 200 EMA, 50 MA, 100 MA, because we already entered into Tradify things, okay? So these type of indicator will work. All those like order flow view, like view also work. All these like order flow and all those stuff will lose its edge. AVNT, okay, stop spamming. Looks like top. uh I longed this around here, and I got like 2.49 something. Then I TP it and it nuked. But yeah, anyway, if you get maybe previous all time high retest, that would be great. But it does not look good the way it's dumping. Like it could pull a mix, but I would not. I really would not like long this thing in leverage. Maybe low leverage, but yeah, previous all time high touch is a good area to build. If you really want to build. Barry, he's the guy in VC Discord. So he's like he nails every top of Bitcoin, ETH, and all, and it's crazy accuracy, like with how he does with these type of simple things. Like we watch all these order flow, open interest, and all. He just does this like pull fiv. If it retests GP, short it to zero. So anyway, have fun and enjoy. Bye bye. See you all probably in weekend. Okay, I'll share